This morning I'm gonna go talk about this glitter. The company Viza sent me 2 chunkies and 2 regular glitters that I'm gonna be testing out. But first of all, I like to show you. Let me move this out of the way so I can show you the different ones. The regular glitter is like super fine. I'm gonna pour it in here, and then I'm gonna bring it to you so you can see it. It's super fine and glittery, very shiny. As always, I'm gonna be putting a link in the description box of everything that I'm showing you right now. This is the other one. I really like this one. I mean, I like the color, but the consistency, it's so fine. So this is the green one right here. I really am really in love with this color. I use it a lot. Now this is the silver chunky. Look at how shiny it is. Look at that. And if you move it around, you can really see light colors. Okay, this is one of the chunky ones. And this one right here is the chunky black. Here's the black, and what you can see, it has the same effect like the silver one, like it changes colors. So now we're gonna go ahead and test it. So this is only with one layer. I think you can get away if you put it evenly. You can get away with only one layer because it covers everything really good. But like in this area, I didn't put enough glue, so it needs to be fixed. But in general, if you know how to apply your Mod Podge or your glue the right way, you really only need one layer. Okay, so I told you that one coat was gonna be enough, and I really still go by that. But I went go ahead and I did a second coat on this one. I have not put the resin because I still need to work on it. I need to print a name and go through that. But this is how it looks. Look at how beautiful. Look at that. This is with 2 coats. And like I said, you can either go with 1 or 2 coats. Look at how beautiful that is. So, I mean, I believe it's worth it. I believe it's going to make your creations very beautiful and very nice and shiny. So that's my review, guys. This is an honest review that I'm doing. They send me the product for free, but I always promise an honest review to you. So for me, that's all, you guys. Thank you so much for watching my videos. May the Lord bless you today and every day. And until next time, thank you.